Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Time now to play Yankee Doodle on page 29 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 1. Yankee Doodle is one of the most appreciated by my students in general, together with Old MacDonald and a few more. Nothing new in Yankee Doodle, simply a bit more of complexity, obviously, because you have one more note that you have learned in the church organ. And here we are. Let's play now, counting aloud as usual. Don't forget to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to play now slightly slower, this one, to help you even more, because I can understand that it's not that easy in the beginning to follow high-speed performances. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's obvious that the position is still the same one. For me now it became position of Thompson Part 1, the one with the thumbs on the middle C. Respect the way Thompson decided to write the notes. What do I mean? So you have G here, and then middle C, but then straight after middle C with the right hand. Respect the fact that the first one is with the left and the second one is with the right. It makes sense, it helps even more. Let's say the beauty of the melody. You don't get it now, I understand, but you will get it in the future. Because many times I see students playing these ones, either with the thumb, the right hand thumb, either with the left. Obviously it doesn't matter. I appreciate that it's much better that you get the right note, and this is very, very interesting and important. So try really to respect the fact that the first one has to be with the left and then the second one with the right, and nothing more. If there is any question, feel free to contact me by commenting, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for today.